And this is bird behavior right here. Look at their feet and their forehead. I love their forehead so much. Forehead is big like mine. Yes, yes it is. Yes it is. These two, Zinnia and Zelda, they are such great sisters. They're sister birds, right? Thank you for being a friend. Do, 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 do. Travel down the road and back again. Your heart is true. You're a pal and a confidant too. And if you threw a party, he invited everyone you knew. You would see the biggest gift would be from me, and the card attached would say, thank you for being a friend.